So this drill is called the high knee pick and grab. So Lincoln's going to start by picking up the hacky sack like so, and then driving his knee as high as he can up into the air, grabbing it with his hand and dropping it back down. So you can see here, he's also trying to keep balance on his stance leg and also trying to keep that stance leg as straight as possible. And this is going to really activate the hip muscles and the glutes on the stance leg, and it's also going to really do a great job of strengthening the hip flexor muscles on the leg that's pushing up into the air. So over time, just trying to work on getting less and less trunk movement to grab the hacky sack and more hip movement, but doing 5 on each side, 5 on one side, then swapping to the other side to do another 5, and keeping your balance the whole time.